We guide you through how to reset your iPhone camera to default settings in 2026. So the first thing you need to do is to open your settings app, scroll down and tap camera. Inside the camera settings, you'll notice there's no single reset button. So what you need to do is manually restore each option to its default state. Start by tapping Formats and select High Efficiency, which is the default for most iPhones. Next, go back and tap Preserve Settings. Then turn off all toggles so your camera won't keep previous adjustments like filter or exposure. After that, tap Grid and make sure it's turned off unless you prefer it, since default settings usually have it disabled. Now, head back and check your record video and record slow-mo. Then set them to standard option like 1080p at 30 fps for normal recording. Once done, go to settings again, scroll to general, tap transfer or reset iPhone, then choose reset and tap reset all settings. This will restore all the system settings including your camera without deleting your data. Enter your passcode, confirm the reset, and wait for your iPhone to restart. After rebooting, your camera settings will fully back to default, giving you clean and fresh setup for photos and videos.